I got scammed. This is a garlic press I bought 5 months ago. Why has the world been telling me to peel garlic before crushing it? With this garlic press, you no longer have to peel it before you crush it. That is why I bought this very specific garlic press. Truthfully, I was skeptical about that feature in the product description until I used it. So this is how it works. Not peeled whatsoever. Gonna place it right in there. This kind of interlocks right here, and then you're going to squeeze. I don't know the technology behind this, but look at that. It's just garlic. Now I like to use a butter knife or edge of something to scoop it off, and then you open it up and you're left with the skin. And I just turn it like this, scoop it out like this. Takes a few scrapes, then you move on to your next one. And it's that easy. You could put one, you could put two, depending on the size of the garlic. Sometimes I fit 3. Look at that. Oh, that was explosive. So I'm making meatballs later, so this garlic is actually not going to waste. This truly saves me so much time in the kitchen because I no longer have to sit there, peel my garlic, cut it up. It's such a lifesaver. I put this in the dishwasher at least once or twice a week. And like I said, I bought this 5 months ago. So easy to use, so easy to clean. I'm so happy that I found this, and I hope you all love this too.